In today's video, we will be rebuilding the Phoenix Suns in 2K21. Let's just get straight into it. Let's go across. We will be starting in the off season because then we can pick up LaMelo. Who doesn't want a young gun? Let's go to the draft lottery. See what place we'll get. We've got a third pick, and we end up getting a third pick. Hopefully, we can get Melo. Maybe not. James Wiseman would be a. They pick up LaMelo Ball, so that's fine. So they get Anthony Edwards, so we're gonna get James Wiseman. So that's a good signing, I'm certain. Yep, 78 rated. I'm happy with it. Free agents. Let's see if we can catch anyone. Anthony Davis, no. James, no. So let's just look at our team. I think our team is pretty good. We got Booker. Oh, it's gonna be rough. Booker. Oh, I think we can win pretty quickly. We're gonna trade. We're gonna trade a lot of people. Trade 81. I feel like we can get someone better. 84. We're all about like the cheapness. I feel like this is a trade. I'm gonna go with this trade. Let's see what we can get for Booker. Let's see. Now we gotta keep Booker. We gotta keep these two. He's got a good signing. Let's get these two. And see if we can get like a 80 rated. Seth Curry. Derrick Ross, 32. I need young guns. Draymond Green. Yeah, that's the pick. I know he's not very good, but like, doesn't matter. James Wiseman. Who would be willing to? What would they be willing to trade? No, I can't get rid of James Wiseman. We're gonna put up these two here. We're looking to get under. Oh, that might be the guy, you know. I think I'm gonna go pick up that one. Let's just look at the rest. Oh, they're both younger. I think that's the trade. Yeah, this will be the trade that we're going with. Our team is looking pretty good. These guys need to get so. I'm just happy to get higher. 74 is the highest. We're just looking for highest at this point. 74. Just best we can. 71. 71 and the 71. What do these guys want? He's 28 and 23. I feel like we'll take this one off Golden State. Yeah. Um, I personally just gonna look at. I think. Mm, I think this will be the trade. Breaking up Golden State a lot. That doesn't matter. Okay, so we do. I feel like I'm gonna go with this trade. I want Boban. He's 7 something. That'll be a good trade. I am going to go with this first one. I'm gonna go for some trades. And there's our squad. We're looking like Devin Booker. We got some height. 6'5", 6'11", 6'10", 6'6", 7'1", 7'1", 6'9", 6'9", 7'4", 6'7", 6'5". Is it this guy? Let's just see. I feel like we'll come in. We're getting in. We're getting in. So, yep. Let's go. Let's see if we can make it. Yeah, we gotta check it with the contract. good. I feel like we can keep going. Oh, I think we'll make it. We'll make it. We'll make it. Jokic MVP. Ja, Spencer, Kawhi, Luka, Steve. So let's just go. Sounds. Are we? Yes, we are with the. Who is it? Portland. Game plan. Who is it against her? Yeah, I think we can. Yeah, we win. Oh jeez, Dallas Mavericks. So I feel like Bobon's not getting minutes. Okay, that's a bad thing. That is a really bad thing. Oh no, Booker gets minutes. I feel like Bobon's our height, so he needs to get minutes. Who's James? Oh, James Wiseman's going. I feel like that's our game plan. And oh, we got a Simcast. I'm gonna have to play this game unless we're ahead by a lot. Oh, a last minute. I'm going for Dallas. And Dallas, Luka carries Dallas to a victory. Let's go to draft lottery. We haven't got a pick. Let's just go straight past it. Star signing. What are we? Yeah. Fire. 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 Wait. Fire. First player. Ooh. Yeah, this one. And this one. And this one. We're gonna go with this one. And this one. Next player. Wait a few days. We're just gonna go for the same people. So next, I feel like I want our coaches to be good, so we can be good. You know. Advance. Let's see, and we will. We'll end up getting him back as a squad. So let's just go home. And we're not gonna go rid of that. We're just gonna go straight to free agents. Giannis. Oh, Kawhi. Oh, Tatum. Oh. Oh, actually, are we still in? No. So go to the end of the summer league, and the Knicks end up winning. So let's just go. Let's go through. We need to start trade some people. He's going up one. James Wiseman's going up a lot. Raymond, you're gonna have to be sold, buddy. You're way too expensive. Oh, will they be able to do? And how much do they need to fill? 24 million to 5 million. They need to get a $20 million player, and I can just trade him. 8, 20 million. This might be the one to go with. Yep. Next trade. He's going up. He's going up a lot. Who's going? Who has a big contract? Do we trade Booker? Do we trade Booker? Let's just see who do we get. Klay Thompson. No, we're keeping Booker, and we're just gonna go. I think nothing really we can do. We just him to the end of the year. Going pretty good. We'll go to trade deadline. See if we can trade anyone for a better pick, better players, or picks. We're going good. Now we're not. Oh, do all the project extensions? I feel like that's like the bad thing. Yes. No. Trade deadline. Two of my good players are injured. James Wiseman's carrying. I feel like we gotta get rid of this guy. He's going down. 17 million. Chris Middleton to break up Giannis. I feel like that was a really good trade. I'm gonna go with that Chris Middleton trade. And we will be going for this one. 74. Yep, we're gonna break him apart. Ooh, um, um, just I think we're picking up some pretty good trades. Oh, let's go till the end. We're going pretty good, I'd say. We're not doing the best. I don't think we'll make it. Ball. Let's just go. And we end up getting the 8th seed. And we're against Mavericks. Oh, I accidentally pressed this, but look, I think I can play this game. And he makes it. Oh, it's right here. Damn it. Not. Oh, we're gonna get floored. We're gonna get floored. Oh, oh, we nearly won then. We can win it. Okay, so let's go. And we get swept. I think we should just do once we get one. A win. So, we're done. Kyrie is the MVP of the game. Sounds. Oh, we're not gonna get anyone. I hope we win soon. I feel like we have to sell all our expensive clothes. So I have some cap room. Jesus, James Wiseman's good. I think we're gonna get rid of Chris Middleton. Anyone for cheap, we'll take it. Booker. Uh, we're not getting very good players. Oh, free agents. Who's a free agent? I can't even get them. Go to country. I can, but let's see if we can win. Oh, I need that giant James Wiseman card to just carry. He's too that good. I need him to just carry the squad. Oh, we're not going. We're going really bad. Oh, we're going. He came back. Oh, we're 39 and 39. We're forward. We're doing terrible. Steph Curry. He's at Milwaukee. What the hell? They're winning. Where's Giannis? Good as that Spurs. Oh, our guy got in there. We got 6 seed. Enter round, and we beat him. Enter round. Oh my god. Mavericks. Oh, we're doing pretty bad. Oh. I hope we can win next year. It'll be like 4 years. Yep, that's what we're doing. So we're doing pretty good. We're 17-17. I hope we're doing a little bit better. Oh, 21 21 and 20. Nah. Um, we're 40. We're 44 and 38. Giannis MVP. Okay, let's just go. Let's go. So we are the 7th seed against Pelicans. We beat them last year. Are you kidding me? I didn't know we 2 past this, so this will be part 1. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what I should have done better or what I did wrong.